Hi, welcome you all once again. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to find out different values from the table based on some criteria. So in last video, I have said you that how to find out the values from the table, and we have used different commands for that. In before that, we have also seen how to create the tables. Now today I will be dealing with how to get different values from the table. So for going before going to that, let me first show the tables. Select star. I want to see the details of the two tables from student underscore det. So it will be shown in front of me. And second one is select star from student REC. So this table will be in front of me. Now I'll be dealing with different data. How to find out the data based on some certain criteria. So suppose in this table, I want to see only the student who is reading in class 11. I want to see the student who is reading in class 11. For that, what I will do, I'll write the command select star from student details. If I will write here star, then all the details are going to be shown. Here I have to mention that which field I want. Suppose I want the student name and class. So I'm writing here std underscore name, comma, class. So select the two fields which I want to show from which table, student details. But I don't want to see all the details. I want to see only the student's details who is reading in class 11. So here I will use where class equal to, under quotation, we have to write which class you want. So I've written here class 11. So what is that? Select student name, comma, class from student details where class equal to 11. Enter. You can see Amit, he is reading in class 11. So the details is showing here. So this is very simple. We have to write the particular fields which you want to see and based on which it will be shown. Suppose you want that I want to see all the details of the student whose admission number is 1003. So I'll use here select star because I told you that all the details I want to see. So I mentioned here select star from student details where admission number equal to the value which I have said. So 1003. So I will press enter. It will show you all the details. But if you want that admission number of the student, you want to see only the admission number and the student name who is reading in class 9. Means the student who is reading in class 9, their admission number and student name you want to see. For that, what I will do, you will write here the field which you want to see. So select admission number, comma, name, STD name, it is STD name from student details, where here I will just change this one. I want to see whose class is 9. So class equal to 9. So I'll press enter. You will see that admission number as student name is showing who is reading in class 9. I am showing you the table. See, Shuja is reading in class 9. That details are showing. So this is very simple. This way we can find out any details without showing the whole table. We can find out any details which you want based on the criteria. So I hope this one is clear. Now let me move on to another part, that if I want to see to do the same thing with multiple table. Means this table, student details tables data also be shown, and student record tables data will also be shown. So these two data I want to see together in a single table. But that table will be a virtual table. That will not be, no physical existence will be there. Only when we will write the query, then these details will be shown. So I am writing here, select star from student details, and second table also I want to see. So student details and student record. So what I have written, select start from student details, comma student record, where now here I want to link the two table. I want to link these two table. One is the student details, another one is this one. So that it will look like that these two tables are the same person's data. These two tables are carrying the same person's data. Beg your pardon. So now what I've written, select star from student underscore details, comma student underscore record, where admission number. Which tables has been admission number? Student record tables admission number. Student underscore record dot admission number equal to, I am saying that student record tables admission number is same as the student details tables admission number. So that one I am mentioning here. So student record dot admission number. So I'm clearing out the query once again. Select star means all the details will be shown. From which table it will be shown? Student details and student record. Based on what? Where student record dot admission number means I am saying that student record tables admission number and student record, sorry, both of the cases I have written student record. This I am writing as student DET. Student details tables admission number, both are same. I am mentioning that. So I'll press enter. You will see that the details are showing here. Admission number, student name, class from the first table, admission number, fees and contact number from the second table. So this is how we can link to table and we can show that. It is a virtual thing, means it is physical existence is not there. If somebody will ask that whether this table is created separately or not, no, we have only used a view of that particular table. So now here admission number are showing twice. So we can also redesign this one. Like here I will not mention the star. I'll mention here one, just I'm writing one thing, you just see ADM underscore NO, comma, student name, comma, class, comma, fees, comma, contact number. From this means this only the field which I want to see. This is the query. I am pressing enter. You will see that it is showing a error. Why it is showing error? The column admission number in the field list is ambiguous. Means we have admission number here also. We have admission number here also. That is the purpose we are using dot operator. Here we have used student record dot admission number, and this one we said that both are same. So here also when I will write the command, if you want to show only one admission number instead of both, you have to say that which table's admission number you are going to show. So suppose you are going to show this table's admission number. So this table name is student details. So I'll be writing here student details dot admission number. Now press enter. You will see that only one admission number is showing. This is how simple the query is. Now earlier I have shown you that how to see based on a particular data, that also you can do. So student details, I am just writing here. Here you have, I have already given one clause, that is where student record dot admission number and student details dot admission number both are same. And instead of that, if you want to use another thing, that whose fees is more than 10,000. Show these details of the student whose fees is more than 10,000. You want to show that. So here already I have used one clause. Here I will use and is going to join the two query, and fees is greater than 10,000. Done. You will see that only one student is here in this table whose fees are more than 10,000. So that details is showing. What I have did, I am repeating it once again. Select student details dot admission number, means one admission number I am going to show. Rest of the details, all the details I have mentioned. From which table? First table and second table. Where student record tables admission number and student details tables admission number both are same, and the fees are more than 10,000. So this is how we can work with different queries. In next video, I am going to show you few more things about the query, different queries I am going to explore later on. I will show you that you will practice it. If you will practice this query one by one after seeing the video, check the video minutely, don't skip it, check the videos minutely, and then you can practice it side by side. If you'll practice it, I hope your doubts will be clear. So for this video, up to this much, see you in the next video.